How is it?
I have a bad feeling about this. The temperature is fine, but the bottom feels strange.
Okay, now you're just being paranoid. The water feels fine.
Oh my god, my foot just stepped in something slimy.
It's your imagination.
I'm sorry, but I'm going inside.
Oh my god, Emily, are you okay?
I don't know, my foot stepped in some sort of slime.
Oh my gosh, if you could have fallen any differently, you could have cracked open your head on the side of the pool. When your pool has algae, head over to Pool Deals for your algaecide and your other cleaning supplies for your pool.
With Blue Wave Algaecide from Pool Deals, you can keep your pool clean and safe at a low price. You can order yours now by clicking on our link.